These new kits from LaserTools and Connect Workshop Consumables lets you produce professional hard plastic fuel line sections for repairing damaged or worn fuel lines and connectors. This connector is leaking, but to replace the whole fuel line section would be a very expensive exercise. The kit includes hard plastic pipe sections together with flexible rubber sections and a useful range of both straight and angled connectors. For this repair, a section of hard plastic fuel pipe is cut to size. The supplied pipe cutter makes this a quick and easy task. A correctly sized right angle connector is selected to replace the original damaged one. Then, after checking the length of the connector stub, the cut section of hard plastic pipe is mounted in the holding clamp. The connector is then fitted to the specially machined metal adapter. The holding clamp is fitted to the insertion tool, and then the handle of the tool is steadily squeezed, forcing the connector stub into the hard plastic pipe. For the other end of this new repair section, we need a straight joining connector. The connector is lubricated, then fitted into the appropriate straight metal adapter. Again, the steady squeezing action forces the connector securely onto the hard plastic pipe. The result is a professional repair section that will now be joined to the original metal fuel pipe by a flexible rubber section. What a time and money saver! This pipe has been chafing against the metal tube nut, resulting in a leak. This repair is similar to the previous one, and in just a matter of minutes a professional repair section is made, with the pipe length slightly longer to avoid any further chafing. The adapters supplied with the pipe connector insertion tool fit the full range of connectors included in the fuel pipe connector kit: straight, right angled, straight couplings, quick fit and push fit. LaserTools and Connect Workshop Consumables, a professional job every time.